Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and today I'm going to do a sponsored video from iKich, and this is the 1.7 liter electric kettle. You can find the link below on getting one from Amazon for yourself. I am thrilled with this. I actually already opened it. As you can see, it was packaged very, very nicely. Let's go ahead and turn it on because I have a liter of water in it right now, and to turn it on, all I have to do is push this little button here on the bottom and the little light comes on. It's awesome. So it's going to heat up while I tell you a little bit about it because it is way cool. And I think that if any of you guys are in the market for an electric kettle, this is my first one, but honestly, I love it. It makes heating up lickety split. I've only used it a couple times. This is actually my first cup of tea that I'm doing with it. I went ahead and opened it first because I figured I needed to wash it first, and you do, and it even tells you to boil, or not boil, I guess boil, 2 full things of water in it before you use it. So this one is glass. They have other ones, but I particularly liked the glass, and I like that it has a light on the bottom. I think that's pretty neat. I'm just going to read from this a little bit. It's a 1.7 large capacity. It has an auto shut off with an anti-dry boiling, which I thought was fabulous. I don't know what the anti-dry boiling means exactly, but I really like that it had an auto shut off because sometimes I do forget to turn off like the coffee pot or whatever. And so I have a Keurig now, so I don't have to worry about it. And I won't have to worry about it with this either. I can already hear it boiling. It is crazy how quickly this happens. I mean, this is a liter of water. I like the LED ring that it has. Just like I just push that little button and it heats it up. Let's see, what else does it say about it? That's about all it really says because really it's what it is. It's an electric kettle and that's what it does. It has a base, which I'll show you in a minute, that you just put the kettle on and it heats it right up. So I'm going to make myself some tea. I have some pumpkin pie tea. That is really good, and I know that it's summer, but I don't care. Oh my goodness. Smells delicious. And with this tea, I don't even think that it needs sweetener, so that's a good plus for me. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's crazy how quickly it is. So imagine anything you might need to boil water. And this has 1.7 liters. That's like almost a 2-liter bottle. I don't know if you can see it. I mean, I would use it right now because it is boiling and still hot. It is warm to the touch. It's not burning my fingers, but it's warm to the touch. The base isn't hot at all. The top isn't hot. None of this is hot. Just the glass. And actually it's not even too hot. It's just nice and warm, and actually it feels pretty good right now. I mean, to me, that's way boiling enough. I would be happy with having it just like that, but you know, it waits until it's boiling good before it turns off. I'm really hoping that you guys can hear that. And it does come with an instruction manual, which is how I knew how much to put in it to start. And yeah, it's very easy, nothing to it. Which in this day and age, it's kind of nice to have something that's just easy and nothing to it. I have water on here that I got on here from my cup after I washed my cup. Which is the best mom ever cup. Thanks to my kids for Mother's Day. I can smell that pumpkin pie too. It smells so good. I didn't time it, but it's like less than 2 minutes. I think it even tells you online. And this is a sponsored video because they did send me this for free, but I got to pick out the one that I wanted. So I liked the one that had the blue ring. I liked that it was glass. I liked that it had an auto shut off. those are the reasons that I picked it. And the 1.75 liter or 1.7 liter sounded good, but honestly, it's almost too big for me. I don't need it this big. Look, can you see that boiling? Isn't that awesome? Oh, this is gonna be hotter. Yeah. Now it's pretty warm, like I wouldn't want to touch it. But this is still not warm. The base still isn't warm. The top is warm. This is not. This is not. So you can still touch this just fine. You can still touch the top just fine. It turned off. It's all ready. So all I have to do is open this, and there's a filter in there. It comes right out. I don't even have to open the lid. And it's still boiling. You can see that. And I can just place it right back on the base. So if you saw, there's a base there. That's what you plug in. And then this is just the top that you put in. And you can push this button here to open the lid. And it just pops right open. And you just put your water right inside there. No big deal. Easy peasy. And honestly, this is going to be too hot for me to even drink. I can promise you. I will not be able to drink this yet. I know I can't. That's how boily it is. And oh my gosh, it smells so good though. So I would give this 5 out of 5 stars. Honest to goodness, there's nothing that it doesn't do that I expect it to do. I like that it's kind of a no frills. You plug it in and it does what it says it's going to do, and you don't have to worry about it. It's kind of like a toaster, you know. I want it to warm water up quickly. I got it to warm water up quickly. That's it. So I would highly recommend it. Again, the link is below. Check it out, and I hope that you guys like it too. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye. I think I forgot to mention one of the greatest parts. I have a discount code. So check that out below too. Thank you.